Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning August 22nd to the 28th in my 2022 memory planner. This kit is from LynnerDesigns as well as the foil in a rose gold colour. This is my first time using a kit from LynnerDesigns, and it will not be my last. You will see in the rest of this planner I used a couple more kits because I really loved her format. I got my kit in a like matte vinyl paper. I also got a toolbox add-on sheet from SBC because I wanted the darker skin girl as a toolbox, and the LynnerDesign only had it as a full box, as you can see on the back of my hand. So I did another toolbox extender hack thing in the sidebar, which I loved. The only thing is the SBC, obviously SBC kits are glossy, but after all the overlays were on top, it didn't really make too much of a difference. This is like the 50th time I've tried to record this intro because you might be able to hear my son snoring in the background, which is okay, but then he started coughing and then he farted, so I had to start again a couple of times. So I might not be as energetic as I usually am. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. There is not much left of me laying down the base because at this point in filming I stopped like putting overlays on camera just because it was the end of my planner. I was trying to finish and I was like, I want to sit down and relax as I do this because the planner was getting thick at this point. So yeah, let's just, as I said, we're finished, so let's go ahead and start with the day by day. First in the sidebar I marked that Malik was eating solids probably this week and then I used a Bubba Bear Studio sticker and a Malik script from Plans in rose gold to mark that. Then I marked it was week 27 of my maternity leave with a Bella Plan in a sticker and a script from PMD stickers. Okay, so Monday I marked being tired AF with a eye mask sticker from Apple Blossom Prints and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah. So I did get the doodle add-on sheet from LynnerDesigns, Apple Blossom Prints and SBCs, so I'll be using a lot of those doodles. Then I noted getting breakfast with a coffee, like, I don't know, picture from another icon that is from the Apple Blossom Prints doodle sheet, and a breakfast script from Planner Hannah. Then noted Malik playing with a glam planner sticker and a playtime script from Carly Plans. I noted some cuddle time with the PMD stickers, character sticker and a cuddle time script from Planner Hannah. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from the SBC doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah. And then noted getting some groceries with a grocery bag icon from LynnerDesigns and a grocery script also from the LynnerDesigns foil bundle. I noted that Malik was drinking a lot of water and he was loving it with a Malik script from from Randy Plant and a stick with a panko girl feeding a baby a bottle. Then noted that he hated the porridge though, with this Paper Shire mum feeding baby sticker. On to Tuesday, I noted breakfast with a Apple Blossom Prints icon. Then noted more cuddles with a PMD stickers girl and a cuddle script from It Plans. I noted that Malik had some more playtime with this Paper Shire sticker and a playtime script from Carly Plans. Then I noted another oat veil with the same sticker from Paper Shire. I used a planner sticker from LynnerDesigns from the doodle sheet to note a Plan With Me binge, and then I noted getting a new mortgage offer this day with the house icon from the LynnerDesigns foil bundle. I used the phone icon from the SBC doodle sheet to note calling our solicitors. And then I noted bathing Malik with a bath time sticker from Happy Sticker Designs and a doodle from What's Made Love. And then finally I noted some TV time with a TV icon from SBC and a TV time script from Planner Hannah. On to Wednesday, I marked getting some Happy Meal with a Happy Meal box icon from the SBC doodle sheet and a Happy Meal script from LynnerDesigns. I noted making some apple puree for Malik with this sticker from Paper Shire. Then noted a Plan With Me binge with like a planner or notebook or journal sticker from the LynnerDesigns doodle sheet. Noted more cuddles with another PMD sticker girl and a cuddle script from Make Plans. Noted Malik having some more playtime with a glam planner sticker and a playtime script from Carly Plans. Then I noted taking a nap with Malik with a sleeping mask icon from LynnerDesigns and a nap script from the foil bundle. Then noted some family time with a balloon icon from Apple Blossom Prints and a family time script from Planner Face. And then finally I noted getting some takeout with a burger icon from the kit and a takeout script from Planner Hannah. To Thursday, I noted that Malik loved yogurt with a baby in a like high chair sticker from Glam Planner. I then noted that he hated bananas with this banana pureed sticker from Planner Paper Shire. That's it. I noted he was really sleepy this day with a sleeping baby from Glam Planner, and then I noted that we tried out some new bath products this day with a sticker from Paper Shire. On the bottom half, it was bath time with another Paper Shire sticker and a bath time script from Happy Sticker Designs. If I haven't mentioned it already, I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs. Use my code ADIA215 to get 15% off of your order. Then noted that he was a happy boy in the bath and afterwards with this naked running baby from Beneva's Creation. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the LynnerDesigns for your bundle, and then I finally noted doing something for Malik's passport application with a laptop icon from the kit. No, it's from LynnerDesign doodle sheet. On to Friday, I noted that Malik was eating more yogurt and loving it with another high chair sticker from Grand Planner. I noted being super tired with this bed icon from Apple Blossom Prints and a Sleepy Mama script from Planner Hannah. I noted another Plan With Me binge with a planner doodle from the kit. And then noted having some breakfast with this sticker from Cardi Plans. I then noted being in my feelings with this crying olive sticker from Olive Studio and an in my feelings script from Happy Sticker Designs. I noted that Mike was trying to escape his next to me crib with this baby trying to escape their crib from Beneva's Creation. I noted that he was loving feet and trying to like eat his feet and our feet with this baby sticker from Glam Planner. And then finally I noted watching Sweet Magnolia with a TV icon from the For Your Bundle. On to Saturday, I noted cuddles first thing with a PMD sticker girl and a cuddle script from McPlans. On the outside of the extender, I noted that Malik had his first avocado with this like veg sticker from Whimsy Plants. I noted Malik being with his dad with this PMD stickers, dad and baby sticker and a daddy son time script from Planner Hannah. And then I noted while he was with his dad, I was washing my hair with this Paper Dolls Co girl and a wash hair script from Cardi Plans. And then I noted retying my hair with this girl doing her hair sticker from Stick With The Planker, which I had to cut down quite a bit. And then I noted that my sister-in-law came over with this baby munching sticker of someone holding a baby to note that he was with her nephew. Oh my goodness, words are hard. In the extender, I noted getting some Chinese with this cutlery icon from the foil bundle. I noted some family time with a star balloon from the SBC doodle sheet and a family time script from Planner Face. I noted my husband doing some more gaming with a gamer sticker from Make Plans and a script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted watching more Sweet Magnolias with this TV icon from the LynnerDesigns doodle sheet. Moving on to Sunday, I noted being super sleepy with the bed icon from the LynnerDesigns sheet and the Sleepy Mama custom script from Planner Hannah. Then noted taking a COVID test and it being negative with this Crafty Planner COVID test sticker. I noted getting some Starbucks with a like ice drink icon from the Apple Blossom Prints sheet and a Starbucks script from SBC. Then I noted making some breakfast with this breakfast sticker from Carly Plants. Into the extender, I noted a Plan With Me binge with this sticker sheet sticker from Apple Blossom Prints. And then I noted watching more Sweet Magnolia with a Netflix TV sticker from LynnerDesigns. I then noted some more cuddles with a PMD sticker girl and a cuddle script from Mick Plans. And then finally, I noted some playtime with a Glam Planner sticker and a script from Carly Plans. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And I shall see you in the next one. I am going to give you a bit of a wiggle and I'll show you what was left of the kit as usual. See you in the next one. Bye.